Hi, my name is Andrew Long. Today I'm going to talk about the American Society of Civil Engineers' three strategic initiatives or principles in which I believe is most important and why. The three strategic initiatives are raising the bar or education, sustainability, and infrastructure. I believe infrastructure will have the greatest impact on our society in the future. This goes without saying, education and sustainability are both vital to the health of America's built environment. Promoting sustainable development ideals and raising engineering education requirements are both very important ideals in today's technology-driven society. But whether it is a highway, rail system, airstrip, or utility line, Americans are dependent on infrastructure. However, America's infrastructure is slowly deteriorating. A majority of America's infrastructure was erected during Eisenhower's administration as a means of creating jobs for veterans returning home from World War II. The design life for most post-World War II infrastructure was approximately 50 years. For these reasons, I believe the number of engineering and construction jobs pertaining to infrastructure will increase in order to meet future demand. According to the ASCE, there are over 600,000 bridges in America, and of these, the average age is 42 years old. As of 2013, 1 in 9 bridges in America are rated as being structurally deficient. In 2008, Congress had to bail out the National Highway Trust Fund, costing $35 billion. The increase in infrastructure demand today is not including all the new infrastructure methods currently being explored. For example, hydrogen fuel cells, smart roads, and solar highways will also increase infrastructure needs if implemented on a large scale. The ASCE has created report cards for each state. These report cards assess and rate each state in terms of their respective bridges, dams, drinking water, parks, rail and transit, roads, solid waste, stormwater, and wastewater. I believe these report cards are an excellent means of determining which geographic region will have a higher demand for infrastructure-related projects in the future. But how are we going to fix this infrastructure problem? The ASCE predicts it will take $157 billion invested annually to get America's infrastructure back to a good state. However, the federal policies calling for reducing fuel consumption actually hurt America's infrastructure by driving down the revenue which would otherwise go towards infrastructure-related projects. One solution to the problem is increasing the federal gas tax an additional 10 cents per gallon. The current federal gas tax is 18 cents per gallon and has not changed even by inflation since 1993. Ultimately, the civil engineer of the future must be conscious of current obstacles at hand as well as future challenges. Thank you.